do we put in this thing, Chance?
Well, Klein brought us his 06 E350. It's got the diesel in it, 4x4 kit, and install a bar heater, and then brought it to us to do the electrical. So we started by installing 3 panels up on the roof, Zamp solar panels, along with 2 Maxxair fans. Come down here, and we installed an exterior solar port for 2 portable briefcases, as well as an undermount propane tank, 10-gallon. Come around back, this is where we installed our 2 Lion Energy batteries, got our Energy 2000-watt inverter, along with our REDARC, which charges via the solar on the roof and as well as the alternator driving. One more feature we also added was the Victron smart battery monitor, which is that part of that system is the shunt right there, and we can come around to the side. Over here you can see the display. This guy right here tells you how much power is coming in and out of the bank. Another cool feature is it does connect to your phone. Pull it up right now and you can see we're at 90%. We got 0.6 amps leaving the battery right now. 10 days of running time with that draw. Pretty neat little feature.
So the client has been building this out.
Yeah, they did all the carpentry themselves. Yeah.
Super insulated.
Also installed a WeBoost cellular booster, which part of that's mounted in here, the router, as well as a Boosie fuse panel there. Right.
Let's talk about the power use on this. You guys figured out how many solar panels to put up there and how many batteries. What's this client's goal?
Be off-grid.
Full off-grid. So there's no shore power.
No shore power, just an inverter. His usage is pretty minimal. He said he might run a coffee maker for 30 minutes in the morning. That'll probably be like one of his largest draws. He'll be heating off of diesel fuel, so his heat will be handled that way. His other big draw will be his fridge, which really isn't that much. I think it was only pulling about 5 amps, which was about a day and a half runtime on the battery bank without any charge coming in. He's got to start the vehicle to get somewhere, and as soon as he does that, he'll be getting 40 amps of charge current as well. And we also left room for 2 more batteries back there, so
There's room for some expansion.
Yeah, I think he's planning on doing like a wood ceiling in here, and maybe fabric walls. Yeah, that's pretty much wraps it up.
project we got to work on.